Magandang buhay! Sa video na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo ng product of sum and difference of two terms na under ng special products. Simulan natin dito sa ating example number 1. So as you can see, parehas na parehas yung ating first term at yung second term. Ang pinagkaiba lang isang sum at isang difference. So kapag kaganyan, ang first step natin ay square lang natin itong ating first term which is x. So lagay lang natin x squared. Again, in-square natin yung ating first term. And then, lagay tayo ng minus. So, tandaan natin na laging minus or negative yung sign ng ating second term kapag nagsasagot tayo ng sum and difference of two terms. And then, square natin yung ating second term which is 3. Lagay lang natin dito 3 squared. And then, simplify lang natin. So, itong x squared, magiging x squared lang siya. And then, minus, bring down lang natin yan. And then, square natin itong 3 square. Ang ibig sabihin yan, 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 1, x squared minus 9. Dito naman tayo sa ating example number 2. So, again, first step, square lang natin yung ating first term which is 2y. So, lagay lang natin dito 2y and then lagyan natin ng squared. And then, again, laging minus yung ating second term. And then, yung second term natin na 5 ay square lang natin. So, 5 square. And then, simplify lang natin. Simulan natin dito sa 2y squared. So, ang ibig sabihin nito ay 2y times 2y. So, sagutan lang natin ito. Unahin lang natin yung number. So, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And then, copy natin si y. And then, add natin yung exponent ni y. So, meron ditong invisible na 1 plus another invisible na 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, kapag in-square natin itong 2y, ang sagot ay 4y squared. So, lagay lang natin dito 4y squared. And then, bring down natin itong minus. And then, square naman natin itong 5 square. So, ang ibig sabihin yan ay 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. At ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 2. Dito naman tayo sa example number 3. Again, first step, square lang natin yung ating first term which is 1 over 3. So, lagay lang natin dito 1 over 3 at lagyan natin ng square. And then, lagyan natin ng minus. Next, square naman natin itong ating second term which is 4x. So, lagay lang natin dito 4x squared. Next step, simplify lang natin. Unahin natin dito sa 1 over 3 square. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. So, lagay lang natin dito 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. So, multiply lang natin, multiplication of fractions. So, taas sa taas and baba sa baba. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Sa ilalim naman, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So, kapag in-square natin yung 1 over 3, ang sagot ay 1 over 9. So, lagay lang natin dito, 1 over 9. And then, copy lang natin itong minus. Next, square naman natin itong 4x. So, kapag in-square natin yan, ang ibig sabihin, multiply natin si 4x times sa sarili niya. So, 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Then, copy natin si x. Add natin yung exponent ni x, which is 1. Plus 1, the answer is 2. So, kapag in-square natin si 4x, ang sagot ay 16x squared. Lagay lang natin dito, 16x squared. At ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 3. Dito naman tayo sa example number 4. Again, first step, square lang natin itong ating first term. So, negative a squared. Lagay lang natin dito. And then, lagyan natin ng exponent na 2. And then, minus. Square naman natin itong ating second term which is xy. So, lagay lang natin dito xy and then lagyan din natin ng exponent na 2. Next step, simplify natin. Simulan natin dito sa negative a squared squared. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, imumultiply natin si negative a squared sa sarili niya. So, lagay lang natin dito negative a squared times negative a squared. So, multiply lang natin. So, we have negative a times negative a is equal to positive a. So, dahil parehas ng sign, parehas na negative, kaya naging positive na siya. And then, add natin yung exponent. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So, kapag in-square natin itong negative a squared, ang sagot ay a raised to 4. So, lagay lang natin dito, a raised to 4. And then, bring down natin itong minus. Square naman natin ngayon itong xy. So, ibig sabihin yan, xy times xy. So, multiply natin. Simulan natin sa x. Copy lang natin si x. And then, add natin yung exponent ni x. Meron ditong invisible na 1 plus another invisible na 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then, copy natin si y. Add natin yung exponent ni y. So, meron ditong 1 plus another 1, the answer is 2. So yung x squared y squared na yan, idugtong lang natin dito, magiging x squared y squared, at ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 4. So yun lang, sana ay nakatulong sa inyo itong maikling tutorial na ito. So kung nagustuhan ninyo yung video, pakiclick naman yung like button at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para sa iba pang tutorial na kagaya nito. Yun lang, maraming salamat.